A very warm welcome to the Learning Home. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to use text callout feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. And the feature, what we are going to talk is generally located in the drawing tool feature, which is not located here. So in order to bring that drawing tools or comment tools option, we will go to the comment section, press it here, and we will see the drawing tool is visible here now, and we can pick text callout from here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to point cycle, and suppose I want to put a comment to change the text to the another user. So I'm going to put a text callout like this, and here I can also add a note for the other user to understand what I mean by writing this. So we can do it by writing any text, but for me I'm just putting note 1 and posting it here. You can also copy the text and paste it over there. So basically it is called as a copy from the clipboard. So here I'm going to copy a whole sentence here, and in order to do that I'm just copying it here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all the text here and pasting it here. So you will see the box has appeared like this. So now the second point of discussion is that how we can resize and move this box to a perfectly nice way, or to show it better. That's the key point. So what we will do, we will click it here and you will see the multiple points here. These are the control points, and with that we can adjust the shape. So here I'm going to pulling it here and we can move it like this. So similarly here I can bring my mouse here, and then we will see an icon like this. So we can pull in this direction. We can also pull a little bit upward, and from here a little bit up, and I think this is nicely fitted over there. So now we will talk about how to change the text style, size and color. So for that, what we can do, we can select all text, and you will see the box has appeared here, that is text properties box, and here we can change the from Times New Roman to any other text type. Let's say I'm going to use something like this, and I'm going to change the font size from little smaller 8, and we can also change the color type. Let's say I'm going to use red, or let's say blue. Now the second point of discussion is that how to change the alignment, and the alignment option is all listed here. We can make it left aligned, we can make it right aligned, we can make it center aligned and justified. And here the option is that how to change the text style, where we can either you can use the underline, which you can see the underline, you can either take the strike through. You can also use the bold, italic, subscript and superscript feature from this option. Now we will talk about how to change the box properties, especially in terms of line thickness and line style. So what we are going to do, we are going to right click and click properties here, and we will click properties, and we will see another box has appeared, and it is talking. We will start with the line ending, and it is open type line ending. We can use closed up line ending, which is seen over here. We can choose square or any other kind of shape which is of your preference. So here I'm fixing with open type. Here is the line thickness is 3, and you can select a lower thickness. So here I've selected 1 point. You can see that the line thickness has gone down. The style is the line type. So suppose this is a continuous line, you can select the dotted line, which is showing you the dotted line. You can choose another type. There is clouded shape as well, like this. You can choose a shape like this. Here is another thing is the fill color. At the moment you will see the filled color is white. It is hard to distinguish actually, but if I change another color you will see the difference. Now it is seen as a different color. You can also choose no color, so that the text in the background is also visible. So if you want to make like this, just choose no color and you will see it is transparent in nature. We can also choose the border color type. We can choose the blue color, we can choose any color among these options. So I'm letting it like this, and the last option in the box property is the opacity. Here you can change from 0 to 100. So here's the preview, you can have a look. Here is before that, if you have decided that this is the right text callout feature, so what you can do, you can just click make properties default, so that in the future when you use this feature, you will see the box properties in this way only. So I'm going to show you one more way. Suppose I'm going to use text callout, you will see the similar way in the future. But if you want to change it, what you can do, you can right click, change it whatever way, and make properties default again. So this will become the norm for the future. So with this, we have come to an end of the discussion, and hope it has given you an idea about how to use text callout feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.